Okay, so where we left off last time was we had just made our intermediate dilution from the magnesium solution that's in the hood. So the starting solution for our chart is going to be the 100 ppm intermediate dilution, right? And there's a couple things to remember here. One is that the solution in the hood is approximately 1% magnesium, and so this is approximately 100 ppm. But you need to verify that based on what's written on what the actual concentration is based on what's written on the label. Okay, so I'm doing the calculations using 100 ppm, but the solution that you end up making is going to be slightly different. Okay, so we're going to compile the chart in the same way, right? So if we do a 1 to 100 dilution of 100 ppm, we end up with 1.000 ppm. 2 times 100 divided by 100 is 2. Same thing with 3, same thing with 5. Okay. If we make a 1 to 250 dilution of this 100 ppm solution, we'd end up with 0.400, right? And so this would end up being 0.200, 0.1000, okay? And so on, right? So you can see that we can complete the chart fairly easily. And again, we can see that we can kind of stop after we go too far, right? So we only need to go up to 1 ppm. So I really didn't even have to do these, right? I went above 1 here, and so I definitely don't have to do this one, right? This one would be 0.6. This would be 1.000. Okay. And so now you can select your 5 that are evenly spaced. And in this case, it's pretty easy because we started with a nice round number. Yours are not going to be as easy, right? But for example, we can use the 0.1, the 0.3, the 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, and I guess maybe what we should do is use the 1, and then we wouldn't use the 0.3. Okay. So then those would be the 5 solutions that you would use to make your magnesium calibration curve.